Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, I'm going to brief you about personal pronouns. Who's that? It's me. After be, we usually object pronouns me, him, etc. I, he, etc. are possible, but they are very formal and unusual in modern English. Who's that? It's me, but not normally. It is I. Where is Maggie? That's her. Over there. In short answers, we can use me, him, etc. informal, or I, he, etc. with the verb more formal. The same thing happens after, as, and then. Informal. I'm thirsty, me too, but not I too. More informal, I'm thirsty, I'm too, / so am I. Who is paying her? More formal, who is paying? She is, but not she. Formal, I got the same number as him. I've got the same number as he has. She gets paid more than me. She gets paid more than I do. Now, complete these informal sentences with suitable pronouns. Number 1. Who knows where the key is? Only me, and I'm not telling you. I haven't met Mark yet. Is he here? That's him, over there. I have had enough of this party. Me too. We bought these flowers. It was me. I thought you'd like them. He's faster than me, but I am stronger than him. John's 2 years younger than Alice, but he's nearly as tall as her. Who said that? It was him, the man in glasses. You've got almost the same color eyes as me, but mine are smaller. You may be older than me, but I don't have to do what you say. Which is Maria's wife? That must be her, just getting out of the car. Now, change these to make them more formal or less formal. For example, I live in the same street as him. I live in the same street as he does. Next, Anne's got the same car as me. Anne's got the same car as I have. They have been here longer than us. They have been here longer than we have. I'm much taller than him. I'm much taller than he is. He's going to Mexico. Me too. He's going to Mexico. I am too. Or so am I. Who said that? Her. Who said that? She did. We are not as old as they are. We are not old as them. He had a bigger meal than I did. He had a bigger meal than me. I'm not as quick as she is. I'm not as quick as her. We are from York, so am I. We are from York, me too. Who wants a drink? I do. Who wants a drink? Me. We generally use who as both subject and object. Whom is unusual, especially in questions, except in a formal style. For whom, in relative clauses, who do you want to see? More natural than whom do you want to see? We use it to refer to nothing, everything, something, and anything. We also use it when we answer questions about two people or nothing is ever the way you expect it to be. Who is the woman in red? it's Clara Louis, but not she's Clara Louis. People generally use he and she for their cats, dogs, horses, etc. Some people use she for their cars, motorbikes, and boats. Countries are usually it. You can take my horse, but don't ride him on the main road. He's a bit nervous. Who's the car? She's running beautifully. Britain imports more than it exports. Now, put in a suitable pronoun. Number 1. What's your cat's name, Annie? She understands everything we say. Thailand is quite unusual. It has never been ruled by another country. Do you know who is the managing director? It's Rose Brzak. Come and have a ride in my new sports car. She, obligate, runs beautifully, like a bird. Nothing happened while I was away, did it? Who did you have lunch with? Who's that on the phone? It's your father. Australia doesn't accept as many immigrants as it used to be. I don't know who she's going out with now. Everything always happens when you don't want it to. So that's all for today. Hope to join you soon. Bye.